Clear?
Yes.
You share your screen, sir.
Yeah, I'm sharing. Just I'm educating. Sai Rahul, use the Windows Altar and Windows Altar symbol.
Sir, I am getting error for that reason I just saying.
Windows Altar, keep 1 second, 3 seconds, same key, it will record them. Okay? Am I right, guys? What about other?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm using some applications to record it.
What is the application?
It's a screen rec.
Windows Shift plus R, sir. For that, Windows Shift plus R.
Actually, if you use the application, it will save your storage as well. It is like 300 to 400 MB, 100 MB for 1 hour. Because we use that Windows Altar, it will take like consume more than 4 to 5 GB.
Oh, correct.
So it's better to use this application so that you can save the space.
Which application?
It's
Just
a
ping
screen
in
rec.
a chat now. Ping in a chat so that we can also copy and paste.
Yeah, sure, definitely. I'll share them.
Good.
Thank you.
So around 50 members are joining, but I received only 28 members only fees. What about others? Please make the payment and confirm and next 4 days, okay? Friday is the last day. Then I will remove the regular group. I will continue the paid group one. Okay. I request everyone understand and make the payment as soon as possible once you decided to continue. Right. Today's agenda. Okay. How to create a primary ledger.
A small doubt, sir. A chart account was created by GL or implementation user?
Both are same. Implementation user, nothing but GL consultant, sir. GL consultant, nothing but who can do setups configuration. Okay, right.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So before many times we got this question, what are the mandatory setups to create a to create a primary ledger? 4 C's, 4 C's. Chart of account structure, calendar, currency, convention accounting method. Many times, 1,000 times we got this question. If you are unable to give this answer, they may feel you don't have fundamentally strong. Okay. So today's topic, what is the primary ledger? Why should I create a primary ledger? Just read the, Oracle theory and primary ledger in Oracle, just knowledge purpose. Everyone read them. Primary ledger serves main base accounting record keeping system, means recording the transaction entered by client team business user. Clear? Okay, this. I think I already posted it. Compared to Fusion, EBS theory is good, I feel. I don't know why. Maybe I might be started with EBS journey. I may feel always EBS theory is good compared to Fusion. Primary ledger is main recording ledger that stores financial transaction, balances, core component accounting setup, user general financial statement. First question, who will create a primary ledger in real time?
Real time client.
అరే క్లయింట్ కి ఒరాకిల్ తెలిస్తే మనం ఎందుకు
Consultant,
GL, sir.
Me.
GL consultant.
క్లయింట్ కొరాకిల్ తెలిస్తే మనం ఎందుకు వెళ్తాం బాబు? జిఎల్ కన్సల్టెంట్. When we will create, no problem, learning stage. When we will create a primary ledger, implementation type, implementation project. Can I create a primary ledger for new country in rollout projects? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir. New country number. Here I use the word called a new country as a rollout. Yes, Babu. Parent company America example. Let us take recently I take an example Kia car, MG car, Walmart, Benz car, even BYD car, Beyond Dreams car, China car entered in India. Before entered into India entity registration, they might have the parent company South Korea, China, America, some other. When they entered India, they need to go for rollout project, creating the primary ledger for the India entity with the INR currency and separate calendar. Agree? Yes or no? Now, topic, login with the implementation user. Login with the implementation user or Dravid. No confusion. Or Dravid implementation user. Then go to setup and maintenance. Go to setup and maintenance. Type the manage primary ledger. Type the manage primary ledger. Go to primary ledger. So you can read the theory by question mark. And ledgers, subledger. Ledger means GL, subledger means other than GL. Right? Multiple ledger, multiple companies. What is subledgers? Other than GL. Remember subledgers. Then click the create option. Enter Deccan India. Okay, you can make Deccan Cements India primary ledger. You can give short name PL. Deccan Cements India primary. Here choose the chart of accounts as a Deccan. If you remember, Deccan calendarum. If you remember. So it is overloaded. We created more calendars in this instance. Even drop down list also unable to show the some data. That is the reason I always recommend to use setups with A letter or B letter, C letter. That will help you to do the search engine. Did you understand, boys?
Yes.
We created Deccanum, but it is not showing due to, then I will give a Deccan monthly. We will see whether it will refresh or not. Let me go to primary ledger. Our COA showing and drop down list. Let me try. Please verify my AD. Right, boys? Currently, shall I select INR or USD?
INR.
No doubt, right? Standard equivalent. Then give the name Deccan. Okay. Cements primary ledger. India primary ledger. You can write DCL. You can write whatever your convenient name. Make it up. Please. Okay. Make it up. So I'm creating the ledger as a single country, single entity. Right. Create, save and close. Okay. Sometimes it will give the error. Calendar is invalid something, even though we done the proper setup due to overload. I will take ACL monthly number, no issues. I create previous batch.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Babu.
Maybe it was do not use change the name.
Unable to hear you, man. Okay.
It
Go and
changes the name as do not use.
okay. I created a primary ledger with the proper selection. Sir, if I mistakenly chosen a calendar currency, can I overwrite? No, impossible. Impossible. Right. Now, next, create a ledger options. First, create a primary ledger as a mandatory setup. Deccan Cements India primary ledger. Define specify ledger options. So here important, go to same navigation, go to specify ledger option, go to scope. Remember, boys, immediately you need to create setup. Go to scope, specify ledger option, select and add. Select and add. Okay. Click apply and go to task. You already created before this one, right? Select Deccan India. When you select this one, it will open the one more page. One more page. Deccan India Limited, description, INR, chart of accounts, your first ever open period. You want to migrate historical data, or you want to go for directly July 25. Okay, that will be decided by client and we will communicate it July 25. Okay, then standard equivalent, then select the language, then retained earnings account is not showing them because there is a issue for us. Our chart of account was not deployed properly. That is the reason you are unable to see. Guys, clear? Are you getting my point? Right. So what I will do, I will create one more ledger with the my proper setups, my instance issue. It is not your issue, my issue. Okay. So I will create the one new ledger with existing. Okay, I will create DC Deccan Cement Limited India Private Primary Ledger. You should not create and in real time, but here we have some instance issues. I am taking the existing one I created for previous watch boys. Take calendar, ACL. So one chart of accounts can use for n number of countries. N number of countries. Did you observe ACL anywhere? Did you observe anywhere ACL?
Yes, sir. It was the ACL monthly above.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here.
Then currency INR.
Yeah.
Okay. Standard account. You see instance issues, some real time you don't see 100%. Okay. Then Deccan Cement. Now I will fix that issues today. Then go to specify ledger options. Select and add. I'm taking the DCL. Okay, now here future period means every month will open the period, close the period. Then if I open July month, August month, I want to see minimum future period for enter the data. Client requested last 2 years of the historical data, 22-23, financial year 23-24, 24 to 25. We are in the 25 to 26. 3+ years of the historical data. He requested give 22. If client says that's I don't have any history, I want to migrate as on today. Month wise, I don't require. Last year, I don't require. I will use the legacy ERP only. Then select July. Then select the language as American language. Listening, right? Give the retained earnings account. Give the company code. Here I take more values. Company. Let me take India entity. Cost center or department. Take the dummy value. Take the natural account called capital account. Who invested for company. I already communicated you capital nothing but retained earnings account. Who invested the money as a owner. That is liable by company. Means company should pay the amount to owner like a chairman, like MD. Then location future. So you need to enter combination. Your chart of account is not deployed. Your chart of account is not deployed properly. Okay. It will not allow to create. Okay. Can you hold on one moment? Okay. Then click OK. Then. So remaining there are many functionalities are there and there are many functionalities. Stage by stage I will explain them. Don't worry. Okay. Right here retain earnings mandatory. There are 5 accounts combination we will enter. See, if you remember here chart of account level, I created, okay, I created chart of account structure. Each delimiter we given chart of account level. each segment, it will show the hyphen symbol. Anyone object? Differentiation. You remember chart of account level?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Delimiter hyphen.
Separation of, right? Then now save and close. Save and close. Now, next, do the review and submit accounting configuration. Review and submit accounting configuration. Just submit it. Very critical step. Review and submit accounting program. Review and submit accounting to complete. Clear? All right. Okay. I hope you understand, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. What we discussed last class is ledger creation. So today's ledger creation consists of 4 C's. Next, important. We created a primary ledger. But don't worry, Babu. Okay. Practice, then you will learn easily, Nande.
Okay.
Now, next.
Display primary ledger.
Assign GL roles to users, like implementation, sir, for testing purpose. Then business users, make a note. So assign the GL roles to business user for testing purpose. For testing purpose, okay. For testing purpose. Clear, Amma? Right. So navigation. Okay. Navigation. Go to, shall I define the implementation user? Shall I query the implementation user now?
Query, I believe.
Query Nandi. Already we created, right?
Yes, correct.
We don't require to create again. Okay.
Yes.
Good and good observation. Go to navigator. Go to tools. Go to security console. Query the user. Okay, here. Query the user. Assign GL roles. That means I am considering implementation user also as a business user for testing. Then go to user. Query the R Dravid. Okay, click edit button. Add the add general accountant. Seeded roles, GL seeded role. General accountant. Add the employee. So now Rahul Dravid become the business user for testing purpose. Add the general accountant. Add the general accountant. Seeded amount for a testing purpose. Right. Now, next. Create the user and assign the role. Create the user and assign the role. But we already created, right? If you remember business user, what is the name, Amma?
Arpanth.
Huh?
Arpanth.
Arpanth. Okay. So query the Arpanth and assign the GL role. Okay. Assign the roles. Assign GL roles. Arpanth. Create the user. Assign the roles. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. I assign the Rahul Dravid as a implementation user, general accountant. Okay. Sir, can I create one more user? Rishabh Pant, you defined, sir. Can I use the Nishant, Nikhil, one more business user? Can I assign the one more? Okay. Data. Yes, sir. You can.
Yes, we can.
So you can use different options, implementation user, business users are clear, right? Now, shall I create one more user, guys, if you guys free? Okay, right. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
We will create a number of users. Go to, okay, tools. Okay, go to security console. Okay. Go to security console. Go to user. Click user account. Okay. Take Nishant. Okay. I'm taking your batch number 32, right, boys? Okay. So real time, we will upload employee data. Okay. Password. Right, taken password of India at 123. Just to remember. Nishant. 31. Okay, right? Right. Sorry, 32. Sorry. So I will go and add the role directly employee. We already create Rishabh Pant and I will create one more role. Sorry, one more user. Okay, right. So we created happily username, ledger name username. Right. Now I have the user R Dravid. I have R Pant. I have Nishant. 32. Agree, number? Yes or no? No.
Yes. Yes.
Even R Pant also I can query. I can see the role because already role was assigned earlier, if you remember. So R Dravid is implementation user, business user in our project. Okay. Now I made R Dravid as a business user also. R Pant you can't do implementation user. Nishant, implementation user can become business user. Business user should not become implementation user. Guys, clear? Now, next important. Assign primary ledger to users. Important star mark. Users. Assign primary ledger to users. Make it. Go to navigation, same navigation. Go to setup and maintenance, important star mark, to access the ledger. Manage data access. Very, very critical navigation for access purpose. Spell mistake, I'm sorry. Go to here, manage data access set for data use. This is the navigation given by Varakil Babu, not Narasimha Pola. Okay, remember. Okay. Go to here, navigation. So here, click here. First, I'm taking R Dravidam. R Dravid. What is the role? General accountant. What is the role? General accountant DC. Our primary lecture. Now I have two users. R Pant. I created last class. General accountant. DCL. Now I created a niche. Thanks. Okay. So 3 users can access one primary ledger. I have one question, real time. Can I assign multiple country ledger to one business user?
Yes, sir, we can.
100%. When I was working for J2 Global, J2 Global, my user asked me, okay, her name Marian Naigad. I remember Marian. Denmark user asked me. See. So Narasimha, I am the user. I want to access J2 Global Denmark ledger, J2 Global Netherlands ledger, J2 Global UK ledger, J2 Global Europe ledger. See, my user, see Marian Naigad. Come on, man. Okay, I done spell mistake. See, she asked me, Namma, really, I talked to her regularly when I was in project. Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
I think we can. Okay. So she asked me when I was implementing J2 Global. That's him. I want to access 4 primary ledger. Is it possible? Yes, I added. So one user can have minimum 1 primary ledger, n number of primary ledgers. Guys, clear? One user, minimum one primary ledger access. One user, multiple primary ledgers access. Multiple users can access single ledger, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
So I have assigned, right? R Pant, R Dravid Nishan. Am I
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
No, sir. No, sir.
Right? That is the reason I am telling you. You have to understand beyond. Now, next, test cases. My complete. In future, I want to know how many ledgers I am holding. Particular user. Simple. Query the Nishant 32 search engine. You can see only one ledger. Can I remove the ledger access for him? Go to action, revoke means that ledger access will be removed by any administrator in future. She moved from India to America. She want to enter America ledger data, then remove India access, give the ledger America. Don't remove the user, don't remove the role. I hope you understand, right? Yes or no? Got it?
Yes. Yeah.
Done.
Only access to be removed.
Right, done. I completed excellent functionality. So next, the first one, test cases. Okay, scenarios we will start. Open the period for GL for ledger called Deccan. Okay, DCL primary ledger. Make it. Primary ledger. So first we need to open the period every month. Every month and we will close the books. Remember lifelong ERP application. Any ERP. Okay. Navigation. Okay. Navigation. Who will open real time? Implementation time. Who will open?
Implementation user.
Excellent. Excellent. Once go live, one real time who will open?
Business.
Excellent. Business user. Regularly every starting of the month. Then go to home page. Okay, go to general accounting. Okay. If you are unable to see sometimes here general accounting, don't take any pressure. Simply sign out, sign in. You have the option, right? If bike is not starting on and off, right? Yes or no? Agree? Cell switch
Yes.
off, log off and log in. So go to here, you can see general accounting. Go to 3 tabs are there, 1, 2, 3. Go to period close. Feel like as a business user. Right. Now go to period close. I can open the period. I can see my primary ledger. I can open. Okay, implementation time I open. I can happily do the testing. Sir, after go live, you told me Client T will open every month. Can you show from the Nishant or Arpanth? Yeah, I will show you. Let us take future. Arpanth is the business user. He needs to open after implementation. He can log in every day. He will go to general accounting, go to period close. Then he can open the period. Same navigation because of ledger access, because of employee as a user. Guys, clear?
Sir.
No. So I will log in from my user again. I will sign out. Okay. Or Dravid. Then India at 1, 2, 3. Then India at 1, 2, 3. I will go to general accounting. General accounting, nothing but GL application. Go to period close. Then click general. Okay, GL we have different open. Period status, never open. Remember, top intro question. Many times we got this. Period statuses. Never open. First time. Then open. Then future. Closed. Permanently closed. Like a bank account open. Freeze. Never open. Okay, right. Now go to here. Why July month is showing? What is the reason? Where did you control July month should show?
We have selected in the while opening the ledger account.
No. Ledger options level, we controlled July 25 because client said I don't have historical data. If client says I need 3 years of the data, then March 20, sorry, April 22, right? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
You can remember, and not only today, once you started practice, you can learn it. Don't expect every answer today or tomorrow. It's depend on practice. Click open. So you are opening the period for primary ledger. Sir, I have 5 ledgers, sir. America, Australia, India, UK, Canada. 5 times shall I open the period? Yes, sir. Now India time morning, Babu, Monday, America is the Sunday. So morning time they will open their time zone, our time zone, we will open our period. Am I right or wrong? Agree?
Yes, sir.
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 Guys, getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Don't get confusion, Amma. If I open America ledger, one day before I opened, right, as per the time zone, India time zone, am I right or wrong?
Right.
Okay, think that way. So I open the period, just refresh it. Why only August month is showing the future? Why September is not showing future?
We have selected adjustment month.
Not adjust. Future period has a one number at ledger option.
Okay.
Future period we given one as a one. If I give 2, August, September. If I give 3, right, you can see this one. Let me open a setup. You will understand quickly. Mindset. Okay, right. If I go to ledger options, I controlled first period July, then you can't override because open the period. Future period I given 1. You remember, right? Next.
Got it.
Next scenario, test scenario. Okay. Then test cases. Now client will say, I want to record my financial transaction, organization financial transaction. Then he will say, that is scenario number. Test case, he will say, Narasimham, purchasing material for every day, paying expenses for company, selling the goods, okay, then taking the loans, he will ask it. These are all scenarios I want to do as a regular. Can I book the journals? Can I enter the journals regularly? So accounting terminology, we can call it journals. That I will create a manual. Employees will create manual journals once they done the transaction. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, navigation. Note down. Create journal entry. Book the journal entry. Okay, record the entry. You can use any convenient name. Okay, as a end user. Right now, what I will do, I will go to home page, data entry. Setups completed, boys. Go to general accounting, journals, navigation. Go to here, dashboard is there. Remember our ledger access. Then go here. There are many functionalities are there. Manage journal means create a journal manual, spreadsheet, Excel sheet, budget journal, posting. Then go to create journal. Who will create real-time? Rishabh Pant and Nishant. Now why Rahul Dravid is doing now testing purpose? Testing purpose. These are all pages will allow to enter journal batch, journal name, journal lines. 3 steps. Okay, right. Here you can read it. Everyone, I already told you. Keen observation, readable mindset.
General batch. General.
So you can give the any name, batch name. Before entering, I recommend you to verify your GL accounts you defined in the books level or not. See, I defined many accounts, cash account. Okay, different GL accounts I defined. You guys must have the GL accounts. Clear? Right. Now, I will say today's date as a batch name. If you don't know anything, give the test batch 1 and give the testing purpose. Okay. Take the July month automatically. It is taking -1 number because of my time zone. Okay. Enter purchased material. Right. You can write it. Then go to here, take seeded category, testing purpose, purchase invoices. Your currency code defaulting, date is defaulting, first status unposted, manual you are creating. Go here, enter the your company code as a India entity, cost center procurement, you are buying for procurement. Then GL accounts we defined here. I will take material accounts. Let us take raw material. I defined this one at a value set level. Otherwise, it doesn't come. Remember, right? You have to have the GL accounts. Then I will enter. Okay. You are testing, remember, you are testing a 6 lakh amount I purchased. Go to here. I will enter cash. What comes in? Okay. Take the Bank of America, Axis Bank. User will feel a practice for their business. Finance department will pay them. So non-commerce students purpose, I will take the section accounts. Okay, please try to understand a couple of days, 6 lakhs. So debit credit, just enter a debit credit equal as a company code. Save the record. It will allow to override. Complete the record. Then post it. Post it means unposted will become posted. It will show the freezed mode. Your accounts will update. Tomorrow I will explain you. Is it okay? How many members are there non-commerce students? Please raise the hand. Please raise the hand. Open denim. Please raise the hand. Non-commerce student. Other than BCom. Only 3. Come on, man. And 4. 5. 6. Okay. Only 6. Nice, man. 8, 7. I will take tomorrow section and 6 to 7 accounts topic come up. 7 to 8 regular. Is it okay, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
See,
Yes,
if
sir. Okay.
need, you should compromise and don't expect every step come to your legs, your foot. You have to compromise. Tomorrow 6 to 7, I will touch the how to record financial transaction. Okay, accounts knowledge purpose. 7 to 8 regular. See, if I go and explain 7 to 8, some student may feel it. I know already. Why should I attend? You know, right? Situation. Agree or not? Yes or no? So, thanks, guys. Don't worry. Ledger creation. Do the assignment. 6 to 7 tomorrow. Accounts class and it is voluntary. Those who are interested, please attend. 7 to 8 is regular. Okay. Thanks, guys. Is it
Thank you.
okay, boys? Yes or no? One
Yes,
day.
sir.
Yes.
Thank you.